Welcome to the celebrations of 50 years of Regional Institute of Education, Bhopal, a constituent unit of National Council of Educational Research and Training, New Delhi.
Regional Institute of Education, Bhopal, formerly known as Regional College of Education, Bhopal, was established in 1963. Foundation stone of the Regional College was laid down on 3rd May 1963. Later, it was renamed as Regional Institute of Education on April 18, 1995. As 2013 happens to be its 50th year of existence, Institute is celebrating its Golden Jubilee year. At this moment of joy, it is necessary to narrate its story with a view to evaluate the path it espoused, the journey it traversed, the successes it cherished, and the failures it encountered. Golden Jubilee is a golden opportunity to review the growth and development of the Institute and to bring out its relevance to changing times. It is also an occasion to reflect on the contributions that the Institute made to teacher and school education over the half-century.
Teacher education programs in regional colleges of education was founded on the philosophy of integration and the academic imperatives of the times. The underlying assumptions of the program were the professional competence required of the teacher is achieved through an organized program of learning experiences. It is not merely a byproduct of becoming a well-educated person. The education of a teacher, based broadly on a foundation of general education, should include a thorough mastery of subject matter so as to give him or her an insight into its structure and interrelationships and professional preparation. General education, which contributes to growth as a person; specialization, which provides scholarly knowledge of the subjects to be taught; and professional education, which leads to understanding and skills in professional performance, must be integrated into a total program. The prospective teacher must assume responsibility for his or her own education in an increasing measure. The opportunities to work with adolescent learners must be an integral part of the professional preparation of the secondary school teacher. The major objectives of the regional colleges of education were to develop and provide a program of teacher education for the multipurpose schools and to prepare teachers of the technical subjects, science, craft, agriculture, commerce, home science, and fine arts. To provide in-service courses for the existing teachers of the practical subjects in multipurpose schools. To provide in-service programs and field services for the teachers, supervisors, and administrators concerned with the multipurpose schools in the region in which it is located. To organize and develop a model demonstration multipurpose school. To function as a regional center for programs of in-service education and field services for secondary schools in general. To undertake pilot studies and research projects in the methods of teaching in relation to the multipurpose schools as well as the general secondary schools. To evolve and try out improved patterns of teacher education. To prepare and disseminate instructional materials for secondary schools in general and multipurpose schools in particular. To collaborate with other institutions in initiating and promoting improved methods and practices to function as a clearinghouse in this regard, and generally to provide leadership. Foreign collaboration. The Regional Colleges of Education project was assisted by United States Agency for International Development through Ohio State University. The assistance was primarily capacity building of individuals and institutions in the form of training the members of the staff of the colleges at Ohio State University, providing consultancy and supplying equipment. Science faculty received technical assistance from UNESCO. The proposed programs at the colleges were: four-year program for preparing teachers of science and technology, one-year teacher education program in each of the following areas: agriculture, commerce, fine arts, home science, science, technology. A program of in-service education. Three types of programs for craft teachers: one-year diploma, two-year diploma and two-year degree. The plan and program of RCE as detailed in its Red Book was as under. College academic year consisting of total 52 weeks, that is 365 days, were distributed as shown. The college schedule based on a 6-day week was as shown. Suggested daily time schedule, Monday to Friday. Initially, college operated from School of Excellence, Shivaji Nagar, Bhopal. After completion of the building and other physical structures, college was shifted to its present picturesque location, Shamla Hills. Initially, RCE was affiliated to Vikram University. Currently, it is affiliated to Barakatullah University, Bhopal. This is the first timetable of RIE Bhopal, preserved by Professor J.S. Grewal. This is the first volume of Journal of Regional College of Education, Bhopal, published on August 1967. College celebrated its silver jubilee on 31st July 1989. Mr. Motilal Vora, the then Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, inaugurated the function. Other dignitaries such as Padma Bhushan, Professor Rais Ahmad, Dr. S.M. Das Gupta, the then Vice Chancellor of Barakatullah University of Bhopal, and Dr. K. Gopalan, the then Director of NCERT, presided over the function. RCE Bhopal introduced four-year programs, BSc B.Ed in the year 1964, along with four-year course, one-year B.Ed program in science, commerce and agriculture were introduced. However, due to change in the policy and lack of demand, these courses were winded up. The first timetable of the college informs us that instruction commenced from 21st July 1964. In the year 1965, B.Tech education was introduced in the college. Soon, two-year B.Ed course in industrial crafts were started on the campus. This followed by the introduction of four-year programs in arts and commerce, BA B.Ed and BCom B.Ed. However, in the year 1968, a review committee on the working of NCERT was constituted. This committee came down heavily on four-year integrated courses and recommended their discontinuation. Thus, B.Tech B.Ed education integrated course and also B.Ed program in agriculture and fine arts were discontinued. Later, BA B.Ed and BCom B.Ed were discontinued, and in the year 2008-9, BA B.Ed has been reintroduced. In the year 1967, another important program, B.Ed Summer Cum Correspondence course, was introduced to clear the backlog of untrained teachers which continued up to 1985. To meet the demands of the states, MEd programs with specialization in science education, agriculture education, teacher education and elementary education were introduced during 1967-68 and continued till the introduction of MEd Elementary. MEd Elementary was replaced all specialization introduced after creation of types. However, in the course of time, multi-purpose schools receded back and concomitantly changes in the functioning of the college took place. Its focus had been shifted from preparing teachers for multi-purpose stream of schools to general education. At present, RIE Bhopal is offering four-year BSc B.Ed program for preparing teachers of science and mathematics, four-year BA B.Ed program for preparing teachers of social sciences and languages, 2-year B.Ed program to prepare secondary school teachers, 1-year M.Ed program to prepare teacher educators, and 1-year diploma course in guidance and counseling. The first principal of the institute was Professor A. Mishra, followed by Professor S.N. Upadhyaya, Professor P.D. Sharma, Professor G. Chaurasia, Professor J.K. Shukla, Professor G.B. Konongo, Professor S.P. Duggal, Professor J.S. Rajput, Professor K.P. Nayak, Professor S.N. Saha, Professor J.S. Rajput, Professor R.P. Singh, Professor P.K. Khanna, Professor G. Ravindra, Professor G.K. Lahiri, Professor S.A. Shafi, Professor M. Sen Gupta, Professor Anand Bihari Saxena, Professor K.B. Subramaniam, Professor M.N. Bapat, and from 25th June 2012, Professor Hrishikesh Senapati is functioning as the principal of RI Bhopal.
RI Bhopal has state-of-art facilities such as enriched library having books more than 60,000, national and international journals as well as online journals. Upgraded educational technology cell with advanced infrastructure and latest information systems. This is an advanced ICT center which is open throughout college hours for teaching and learning. The institute also has video conferencing center. Laboratories in physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, mathematics, geography, psychology and guidance and counseling, and auditorium. Institute's playground, lawn tennis court, basketball and volleyball court, health center, branch of State Bank of India, post office, canteen, electric power station, 4 hostels namely Vidya, Vinay, Shanti and Kirti Niketan, Gulmohar Guest House, Chinar Guest House, and quarters for staff and faculty.
A demonstration multipurpose higher secondary coeducational school affiliated to CBSE is attached to the institute. The school admits children locally through a randomized computer draw to facilitate admission to children of all sections of society. It serves as a laboratory of the institute for carrying out action research and innovative experiments in school education. It also provides opportunities to the interns to observe, learn and participate in teaching through internship program. Since the beginning, National Cadet Corps, that is NCC, has been one of the important activities of RI. Many cadets participated in Republic Day Parade and few of them also represented India in international events.
This is a brief history of RI Bhopal's illustrious journey of 50 years. Despite phases of turmoils and upheavals, RI continues to be a beacon light in the field of facets of education in the western region of India. We continue to attract learners, researchers, and eminent scholars to explore and experiment in the domain of knowledge. It is a never-ending journey that prompts us to attain pinnacles of success in the years to come. Thank you, one and all.